The torso rotation machine from Life Fitness is an exercise that strengthens your core with an emphasis on your obliques. Since this is a weighted rotational movement, it's important to ensure your lower abs are contracted and pulled in to stabilize and protect your spine. To get started, adjust the seat position and chest pad by pulling the handle and rotating the seat to the left or right, as well as positioning the chest pad at chest level. Kneel in the direction of the arrow shown on the seat with your hips angled to the side, then press your chest straight into the chest pads while gripping the handles with your hands. Before beginning the rotational movement, make sure you are upright with your lower abs contracted and pulled in to stabilize and protect your spine. Exhale as you contract your obliques to rotate to the other side while keeping your abs contracted, your spine upright, and chest pressed into the pads. Feel a good contraction, then under control, reverse the movement back to the starting position without allowing the weight plates to touch. Complete all the reps on one side, then adjust the seat position to the other side and repeat for reps. Subscribe to get a new exercise video every day.